Got some graphics still up there. Sorry about that. You know what I'm doing right now? I do other things during the commercial break called updating the web forecast, and I'm adding images to it. There you go. Okay, now back to TV side of things. Jerry loves that. Thanks, Jerry. 67 degrees in Harlan this morning, 65 in Pikeville. Hey, we just saw some updated temperatures. Moorhead's jumped to 64. Temperatures will be slower to climb today. Still, even with a warmer air mass moving in from the west, the reason they'll be a little slower to climb, clouds. The difference, though, this morning compared to 24 hours ago, a couple degrees. 5 degrees warmer in Pikeville. That's the biggest difference that we have across the region. Now, when I say more clouds, it's not going to be overcast. Periods will be mostly cloudy, but again, for a mostly cloudy sky, it doesn't need to be like 80 or 90% cloud cover. Mostly cloudy is just more than 50%, really, okay? So we're looking at that being the case in a lot of areas, including just about all 4 of our weather cameras that we have right now. See them drifting through here, these clouds. No rain from these. Back to the west, there is rain. This area of rain is closer to low pressure that's off to the west. A little more lift from that. More humidity, more moisture in the atmosphere out here. As that tries to move east with cloud cover, it does run into drier air that we have, which is why I've said today's a mainly dry forecast. Could we get some sprinkles maybe? I'm not going to rule that out. Or a very isolated shower. Majority of us will see nothing today except for some increased clouds. Same story Saturday. Sunday, northwest flow in the jet stream starts to move back. We increase the humidity, we get little disturbances that ride through the jet stream, and that may create a couple of spotty showers in the afternoon Sunday. I think the chance is actually greater Monday and Tuesday as the high pressure ridge starts to nudge a little farther east. It puts us in that zone for little disturbances to move in. Again, we'll keep it at 30% right now because confidence is low that the chance is that great. Same story for Sunday, which is why we have the rain chance lower. Doesn't mean that one won't happen. And then behind the front, Monday into Tuesday, we likely go back to drier temperatures as well, back into the upper 80s.